In this video, I'll show you how to recover screen time passcode on iPhone. So if you have forgot your screen time passcode and trying to recover it, then here's the real guide of how you can reset your screen time password. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to do this process, first thing first, simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down to the screen time here and go and tap on the screen time and then scroll down from this page, and here we get the option change screen time passcode. So if I tap on this one, you can either change the screen time passcode or you can turn off the screen time passcode. Let's say I'm going to tap on change the screen time passcode. You can choose anything you want. And if I type in the password, and here it says the failed passcode attempt. So now to recover, reset the password, you just need to tap on forget password at the bottom. If you tap on this one, it's going to immediately ask you to enter your Apple account. So I'm going to enter my Apple ID right here. And then simply go ahead and tap on OK. And this is going to ask your iCloud password. So just go ahead and enter the password here. And lastly, just simply go and tap on OK. And once you do that, immediately this is going to give you the option to enter a new screen time passcode. So just go ahead and enter a new passcode for yourself. So once you have done this twice, this may again require to sign in with your Apple ID. Go ahead and do it again. And once you do that, your screen time password will be changed. So if I go to the screen time here, and if I try to turn off this option, and if I enter my new passcode, you'll get to see it's working fine. So if you're not turn off, you can get back from here and tap change the screen time passcode, and you can turn off the screen time passcode here and enter your new passcode, and you're pretty much good to go. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.